Every day, millions of Americans reach for an ice-cold Coca-Cola. But have you ever wondered how this iconic beverage? We go inside one of the largest Coca-Cola bottling facilities in the United States. This 123-year-old company is a fourth-generation American business. Coca-Cola Consolidated, based in for about Totin, DC, with over 17,000 employees nationwide. It all starts with the secret formula. Coca-Cola concentrate is shipped from the company's Atlanta headquarters. The exact recipe is across Emirates, known to only a handful of people on the planet. The concentrate is stored in secure, temperature-controlled rooms. This liquid gold is the heart of every Coca measured and mixed, never touched by human hands, always handled with precision. On the other side of the facility, raw materials arrive. Resin pellets, made from 100% recycled plastic, are pumped into massive silos. These pellets will become the bottles you hold. The resin is dried to remove moisture, then mixed depending on the type and size of bottle being produced. Modern Coca-Cola facilities use 100% recycled PET for their plastic bottles. The dried resin is fed into injection molding machines, melted and injected into cavity molds. What emerges are bottle preforms, small test tube-shaped pieces that look up to 42,000 preforms per hour. Preforms travel on overhead conveyors to the next station. Some facilities make their own preforms on site, others receive them ready-made from suppliers. In Charlotte's Snyder production facility, they've been producing Coca-Cola products for over 50 years. This is where the magic happens. Preforms are reheated to around 120 degrees, then dropped into bottle-shaped molds. High-pressure air is injected. The preform stretches vertically and blows outward, forming a perfect bottle in seconds. It's like watching glass blowing, but at industrial speed. Freshly blown bottles emerge at incredible speed, perfect, clear, and ready for filling. High-speed cameras inspect every bottle for defects. Any imperfection is automatically rejected. Only perfect bottles continue down the line. Water is the main ingredient in every Coca-Cola product. Before use, it goes through extensive treatment, filtration, reverse osmosis, and UV treatment. The result is water that's 99%. In the ingredients room, sweeteners are precisely measured. High fructose corn syrup or sugar, depending on the recipe, is combined with the secret concentrate. Every drop is accounted for, every batch identical to the last. Now comes the carbonation. Treated water, syrup concentrate, and COF meet in precise proportions inside the portioning unit. The carbon dioxide not only creates that signature fizz, but also helps preserve the product and gives bottles their firmness. The product is chilled to just above freezing before filling. Cold temperatures help the CO2 dissolve properly and give workers more time to apply capchaps. Bottles now enter the filling room, a clean, pressurized environment. With up to 144 filling valves, these machines can fill 48,000 exactly the same amount of liquid, measured with incredible precision. Immediately after filling, caps are applied. Caps travel from an overhead hopper, sorted to ensure they're facing the right way, then spun onto bottles at incredible speed. Sensors check that every cap is tight enough to seal, but not so tight you can't open it. Every single bottle is inspected by high-speed cameras. They check fill level, cap position, and even look for foreign particles. Bottles that don't pass are automatically rejected. You'll never see them on store shelves. Throughout production, quality assurance teams work in the on-site lab. They test samples from every batch, checking carbonation levels, sugar content, and of course, taste. If a batch doesn't meet Coca-Cola's strict global standards, the entire run is rejected. Passing inspection, bottles move to labeling. The iconic Coca-Cola logo is applied with precision. Some facilities now do their own labeling on site, reducing transportation miles and improving efficiency. Every bottle receives a date code and batch number, essential for traceability. If there's ever an issue, Coca-Cola can trace that bottle back to the exact day, shift, and production line where it was made. Complete transparency from factory to consumer. Many facilities also run canning lines, and they're even faster than bottles. Modern lines can fill up to 2,000 per minute, or about 20 cans every second. After filling, the can tops are seamed on, creating an airtight, leak-proof seal. After canning, products pass through a warm tunnel. This gentle heating stabilizes the cans and prevents condensation during storage. It's one of those small steps that makes a big difference in product quality. Now bottles and cans are grouped into multi-packs, 6-packs, 12-packs, and seal them without human hands touching your drink. Some facilities have even replaced shrink wrap with lightweight paperboard for sustainability. Robotic arms now stack boxes onto pallets with precision no human could match. Each pallet is perfectly balanced. These robots work 24/7 without fatigue, handling millions of cases annually. Pallets move into automated storage and retrieval system warehouses, massive facilities with floor-to-ceiling storage. From automated storage, pallets move to distribution centers where they're organized for shipment. With 60 distribution centers across 14 states, Coca-Cola Consolidated can reach customers within a 2-hour radius of their facilities. Trucks now load for delivery, the iconic red Coca-Cola fleet you've seen on highways across America. Some other facilities use hydro trucks, reducing emissions while keeping America stocked with beverages. Across American highways, these trucks travel day and night. From the Charlotte facility alone, 23 million cases are distributed annually to customers within a 2-hour radius. It's a logistics operation of incredible scale. At grocery stores across America, the journey continues. Pallets are unloaded, moved to the floor, and stocked on shelves. Soon, that bottle will be in a customer's cart, cold, refreshing, and ready to enjoy.
Okay, let's get some.
Shoppers choose their favorite. Coca-Cola Consolidated produces over 300 brands and flavors.
That's a lot.
Or maybe you grab one from a vending machine at work, a gas station on a road trip, or a stadium during a game. Coca-Cola is everywhere Americans are. 60 million customers served annually across 14 states. And then comes that first sip. Ice cold, perfectly carbonated, unmistakably Coca-Cola. After thousands of miles and countless hands, it's finally in yours. That's the magic of American manufacturing and logistics. Behind every bottle are trained professionals. Coca-Cola Consolidated's $1.8 million learning center in Charlotte trains employees in everything from store merchandising to custom mock stores before ever visiting real customers.
Steady pressure, Tim. Feel that torque? Got it. It's loosening now.
The company also invests in skilled trades through apprenticeship programs.
Workers like Pro Howard, a former truck driver.
Quality never stops. In labs across every facility, scientists constantly test products, checking carbonation, sweetness, and purity. If something's off, the line stops immediately. Only perfect products leave the factory. Sustainability is built into every bottle. Coca-Cola in new processes, closing the loop and reducing waste. The goal is a circular economy where nothing is thrown away. Bottles have also gotten lighter, from 20 grams to just 8. That might not sound like much, but multiply billions of pounds of plastic annually. Tethered caps keep caps attached to bottles, making recycling easier. Facilities are going green too. Solar panels, water recycling, electric trucks, the Sidkick are all salatu with nitrogen for can rinsing, cutting carbon emissions by thousands of tons. American manufacturing is cleaner than ever. Coca-Cola was invented in Atlanta in 1886 by Dr. John Pemberton, a pharmacist looking to create a refreshing tonic. It's grown into the world-famous Laurel's Farmers brand, sold in over 200 countries. In Atlanta, fans can visit the World of Coca-Cola, a museum dedicated to the brand's history. You can see the vault where the secret from beverages from around the world and learn how that little pharmacy creation became a global phenomenon. Coca-Cola even shaped our image of Santa Claus. 1930s advertising campaigns featured its standard image colors and style. Before that, Santa appeared and Coke Santa stuck. The iconic contour bottle was introduced in 1915, even in the dark or broken. It's one of the most famous package designs in history, and it's still used today for glass bottles, a tribute to timeless design. Behind every bottle are American workers, over 17,000 employed by Coca-Cola Consolidated alone. They're in Charlotte's, quality technicians, drivers, and sales representatives, all proud of what they do.
It's the main actuator. Powered down. On it. Running diagnostics. Good. Torque it to spec. Done. Bringing it up. Line's running. Let's monitor.
Coca-Cola gives back too. Internships with local high schools, support for community events, and programs like the chaplaincy service in Charlotte that take care of the co-wizzes.
We take care of each other.
Investment continues. Coca-Cola Consolidated recently injected $25 million into their West Memphis, Arkansas facility, adding a new bottling line and blow mold equipment. The facility and innovation centers, teams experiment with new flavors and sustainable packaging. This batch has a promising citrus note. I agree, and the aftertaste is clean, evolving to meet changing tastes and environmental needs. While we focus on American production, Coca-Cola is enjoyed in every country on Earth except 2. Different markets have different tastes. Green tea Coke in Japan, Inca Cola in Peru, and it's loved everywhere.
As the sun sets over Coca-Cola facilities across America, thousands of bottles made, tested, and shipped. Tomorrow, it starts again, because America will always be thirsty for the real thing.
If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on All for Our Factory Word, where American manufacturing comes to life. Now go enjoy an ice-cold Coke. You've earned it.